G'day, just going to show you today how to upgrade the RAM in your iMac computer. Now it's pretty easy to do, very easy to do, and there's probably a ton of YouTube videos out there showing how to do it, but I'm going to do another one because I can. And yeah, it's really easy to do. It can save you a ton of cash, like a lot, because Apple's upgrades, they can charge up to $2,000 just for some RAM, which is crazy. When you can just buy it on eBay for $100 or even $200 and install it yourself. And I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, so this is the back of the iMac computer. I like to lay it down on the couch on a soft rug or something, or like a throw or whatever that is, so you don't scratch the display. So basically it's just underneath that little door right there. I'm going to show you how to pop that open and get the RAM installed in there and what sequence to install the RAM. Okay, so I like to use a pen or the pen lid. Where is it? Yeah, pen lid. There's a little button just in here where your power socket goes into. So you're just going to push on that. I don't like to use the pen because you end up drawing on it. So just use the pen lid and just press on there until that little hatch pops open, and then you can just remove that. Now you're going to grab these two little, they're like, I don't even know what you call them, just like little clip things I guess. So pull them aside and lift outwards. Your two RAM sticks are installed from the factory in slots number 1 and slot 3, which leaves you slot 2 and slot 4 free to upgrade more RAM. I'll also mention in this video how to install them correctly. So you don't want to install these two together in slot 1 and 2. And then in 3 and 4, so example, if you're upgrading, so these are two 4 gig sticks. If you wanted to put another two 8 gigs in, you'd go 4 8 4 8, not 4 4 8 8. So you've got to stagger them. And then when you go into the systems about in the Mac itself, you can see where they've been installed. A little tricky to explain, but I'll show you that in a second. So now to basically get the RAM out, you just pull it out. So there's one 4 gig. And you can buy these 4 gigs sticks for about $100 for the pair, so 8 gigs all up. And all you do is just slot it in. It'll only go in one way. You'll see there's a little notch just there where, that little notch is slightly to the left. Just be very careful. You don't want to scratch all this, so just be careful with it. Slot it until it clicks, and then you just put them down until that clicks into place. Grab your RAM door, just install that back on. You literally just press it on, like so, and that's it. That's how you upgrade the RAM in an iMac. Okay, so once you've finished setting your Mac back up, you want to go to the Apple logo in the top corner, about this Mac. Gives you your overview. Click Memory tab. You can see here that 4 gigs and 4 gigs is installed in the top 2. You want to install the memory in the top 2 slots, not the bottom 2. So that'll be slot 1, that'll be slot 3. How that works, don't know. But you just got to stuff around until you basically, if you put them in the wrong slots, because they're not numbered, you have to just figure it out. 1 and 3 starting from the bottom of the Mac. So the bottom of the Mac is number 1, and then upwards up to 4. So slots 1 and 3 give you them 2 at the top there, and then you've obviously got 2 empty ones for your expansion if you wanted to put another set of RAM in, so I'd recommend for most iMacs 16 gigs is plenty. So you've got four, you just need another 4 and another 4. Costs about $100, so you need a total of 8 more gigs, and that's plenty, 16 gigs. This Mac is being sent back because I'm waiting for my new 2021, so I've actually taken my RAM out, which I'm going to put into the new machine when it comes. I should also point out that it is user upgradable, so it doesn't void your warranty. Another thing that might make it a little cheaper for you as well is if you jump onto eBay and find someone who's bought a brand new iMac that immediately wanted to upgrade the RAM themselves, and they're left over with the 2 4-gig sticks. That's how I got mine. So I got 16 gigs in total, and it cost about $100. And you can see some of the images I've put up here that the price is ridiculous. You can pay $3,000 for RAM. I think that's crazy. I don't know how they get away with charging that, but they do. Especially when you can just buy it yourself and put it in. So I hope you learned something and enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.